we are actually going to trade all of Tyler's tan interior out into black. So I'm going to show you guys how to take the door panel off the NB and how to get the Bose Emblem off of your current door panel and onto the other one, because the black door panel that I have does not have that. And since this does have a Bose stereo system, I thought it would be cool to kind of keep those. Also, since Tyler has the chrome handles and we're going black, we're not really a big fan of like the chrome style. So the red one actually had black handles in it, and I'm gonna swap these out as well. So I'll show you how to do this too. We already did the passenger side. Looks really good. And I did get the Bose thing off and it was super easy. So let's take this panel off. Okay, so first things first, there's a screw here, just above the handle. It's a Phillips head. Once you have that screw out, pull the handle like you're gonna open the door and this slips right out. Now there's two screws on the door pull that need to be removed, and they should be Phillips head, but it could vary if somebody has taken your door panel off, put different screws back in. Then after those, you've got this right here, which just kind of pops out. And then there are two, one here and one here. Now once you have all those out, this should kind of just pop off. So once it's loose, you can plop it up. And there'll be two clips. One clip is here for the power window switch, and then one here for the tweeter. Both of those will just unclip, and then we can remove the door panel. So once those two clips are removed, this comes right off. Okay, so to take the handle off, there's this screw here. Again, Phillips head. So once that screw is off, this is going to slide out of this hole here and kind of sit here with these two cables. What you're going to do is pop these out. I find it easier to use needle nose to pop these up. Like that. Now you'll have to bend this back, pull this out. Same with the blue one. And then boom. And then it's off. Now we get the black one, our new handle, slide it in, make sure it clips into this clip, same as the other side. Put these back in their holder. Set it into the retaining hole and then put our screw back in. Very simple. All right, that's all in now. Now let's go get our black door panel ready to put on the door. Okay, so to take the tweeter off, it's literally just two Phillips head screws right there, and then it'll just pop right off. And the only reason we're replacing these tweeters is because these are the Bose tweeters, and like I said before, the black panel did not have the Bose system. and then it just comes right off like that. Now to get the Bose emblem off, there are two little retaining clips here and here on the back side. Literally just grab yourself a 90-degree pick, pull up, that should pop them off, and then literally it will just push all three of these prongs through and the emblem will fall through the opposite side. So you just put your pick underneath. You could use a like flathead screwdriver too. And then it'll kind of slowly come off. Almost there. Like that. And you're gonna set that aside. Do the other one. And I'm sure there's a better way to do this. But this is just the way I thought of. So now that we got both of them, we're just gonna push down. It might be slightly glued in, so it might take a little bit for it to pop down. There it goes. Boop. And there you have it. Got the Bose emblem out. Literally installation is the same as removal, just opposite. Okay, so let's put the Bose emblem on now. Just remember where you took it off from, how it goes in, and get it straight. I'm just gonna stick it through the mesh on the opposite side. Make sure it's in. Grab your little clips. Probably have to take your pick or your screwdriver again and push them down. There we go. Now we're going to remove this tweeter the same way we removed the other one and put the Bose one back in. Alright, now we're ready to put this baby back in. So same thing as removal. I'm going to plug these connectors back in first. Now that you got them plugged in, line this up. Snap the clips in. I think there's about 4. Put your pins back in. Now I'm going to pick up some black ones for the sides. I just have to find some. For now, I'm going to put the tan ones in. Just to hold it. Okay. Now we can screw the 2 screws in where to hold our door pull. Pull your handle again. Screw this in. And then you're done. personally think the black interior looks better, but you guys let me know what you think. But that's it. That's how you replace your door handle and your door panel all in one go.